We have created this video to assist you with the usage of the safe box found in KONSEPT Rental Apartments. Please ensure that the safe box's door is open. If it is closed, please contact us. Press the red button located at the back of the safe box. When you press this button, you will hear a sound, and a yellow light will appear on the front. This indicates that the safe box has entered the new password setting mode. Choose a 4-digit code of your preference and enter it. Then press the E button. Enter the code again and press the E button. A green light will illuminate on top of the safe box. This means that the safe box has accepted the code and is now active. Rotate the opening lever on top of the safe box and observe the movement of the locking mechanism. If the locking mechanism doesn't move, please restart the process. Place your valuable items inside the safe box and close it. To open the safe box, enter the 4-digit code you defined and press the E button. You will see the green light illuminated. You can open the safe box by turning it. When leaving the apartment or after your final use of the safe box, please do not lock it. This will allow the next user to enter their desired code by pressing the red button. Enjoy your stay.